Hello friends, my name is Divisha. In this video, I am going to discuss question number 41 from CUET MA Eco Entrance Exam 2024. Now this question says you have to match the following, wherein we are given list 1 and different statements are given to us, and list 2 wherein we have to match. Okay, the CN and PN refers to consumption and production. So I'll explain each one of them and we'll see what is related to what. Okay, so first is apple farmer having orchard next to beekeeper. Now as we can clearly see that a farmer having orchard which is next to a beekeeper, right? This is an example of what? So farmer is going to produce, right? So it's a part of production and it's next to beekeeper, so it's going to benefit from having its orchard next to beekeeper, and that's why it's an example of positive externality. So we can say first is related to the third one, right? So let's say this is the third one, so first is related to third. All right, so this is how apple farmer having orchard next to the beekeeper, it is a example of positive production. Now next is village downstream from a manufacturing plant. Now as we can see here, a village which is downstream, okay, from a manufacturing plant, it's going to negatively benefit from the having a manufacturing plant in the upstream. So eventually the villagers are going to negatively benefit in terms of its consumption, right? So it's an example of consumption and they're going to negatively affect from having a manufacturing plant upstreams, and therefore it becomes an example of negative consumption. So here this is how they are related. So for the second we can say it's a part of negative consumption. Okay, so second, for the second part, then unvaccinated family living next to the family who has received COVID-19 vaccination. As we can clearly see in this example, someone who has received COVID-19 vaccination will benefit consumption of someone around, right? So an unvaccinated family, whoever is living next to a COVID-19 vaccination family, would be benefiting positively, right? So it's an example of positive consumption, and so this is how it is related. So third answer would be the first part, rice farmer having field next to the chemical plant. So having a chemical plant next to the farmer having its field, that means the production of rice farmer will negatively get affected, right? Because it is having field which is next to the chemical plant, so in which case rice farmer will negatively get affected by having the chemical plant. So the answer to the fourth part is the fourth itself. So the first part answer is third, second part answer would be second, third part answer is first, and the fourth part is fourth, right? I hope all the parts are pretty much clear. Guys, if there's any doubt in such related questions, you can post it in the comment box below, and if you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and like it. Thank you so much.